What if you could build a reliable second income from anywhere in the world on your own schedule? In today's video, I'm going to reveal 6 powerful side hustles you can start remotely, no fancy degree required. Your job doesn't care about you. It treats you like a number, ready to be shown the door at the first sign of trouble. That's why diversifying your income is no longer optional. It's essential. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which hustle fits your passions, your talents, and what people will happily pay you for. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. 1. Direct response copywriting. Imagine turning words into dollars, literally. Direct response copywriting is all about crafting messages that compel readers to take action. Click a button, subscribe to a newsletter, or buy a product. Businesses depend on this skill to drive revenue, so they pay premium rates for top talent. In fact, I personally pay a copywriter $2,000 a month for just 20 hours of work. That's $100 an hour. And projects can command $8,000, $12,000 for a 3-month engagement. The elite even negotiate profit share deals. For example, a single $400 million sales page could net a 1% cut in royalties. To succeed, you need 3 things: a love for language, a knack for persuasive psychology, and the technical chops to write clear, benefit-driven copy. Start by studying classics like Robert Cialdini's Influence, then level up with a specialized course. Next, build a portfolio of sample sales pages or email sequences. Launch cold pitch campaigns, research businesses you admire, craft hyper-personalized emails, and offer a discounted or free trial project to showcase your skills. Finally, create profiles on Upwork or Fiverr with your best work and watch word-of-mouth referrals begin to roll in. 2. Virtual assistant. Think of a virtual assistant as your business's right hand, handling everything from calendar management and email triage to social media scheduling and basic bookkeeping. Demand for remote support has exploded, and skilled VAs can command $45 an hour or more. If you're detail-oriented, organized, and comfortable with tech tools, this could be your ticket to a flexible, location-independent income. First, decide your niche. Are you a social media whiz, an executive assistant extraordinaire, or a bookkeeping specialist? Niching down makes you more marketable. To get started quickly, join a reputable VA agency. They'll train you, match you with clients, and handle billing for a small fee. As you build experience and earn glowing reviews, you can transition to direct contracts and set your own rates. Pro tip: master in-demand tools like Asana for project management or Calendly for scheduling to stand out and charge even higher fees. 3. Options trading. Ready for a side hustle that's entirely your own? Options trading lets you generate consistent income without pitching clients or managing projects, just you, your computer, and the markets. By focusing on high-probability spread strategies, you collect premium upfront, and as long as the stock stays outside a defined danger zone, you keep that money. I personally rake in up to $1,000 a month with under an hour of work per week. To get started, you'll need 1. Market interest and emotional control. You don't need a finance degree, but you do need to enjoy following stock movements and stay calm when prices swing. 2. Education and strategy. Learn the basics of calls, puts, and spreads. 3. Brokerage account and tools. Open an options-friendly account, think Thinkorswim or Interactive Brokers, and use probability calculators to pick your trades. Once you master entry and exit rules and manage position size wisely, options trading can become a nearly passive income stream you run on your own timetable. 4. Content creator. Want to get paid for sharing your passions? Becoming a content creator lets you monetize everything from YouTube videos and podcasts to TikTok or Instagram posts. Top creators earn through platform revenue, AdSense, TikTok payouts, affiliate marketing, commissions on product links, brand deals, flat fees for sponsored content. For example, my friend Charlie Chang pulls in 6 figures per month in affiliate commissions solely from his YouTube reviews. Here's your blueprint. Choose your niche and platform. Match your passion, fitness, finance, gaming with the medium that plays to your strengths, long-form videos versus short clips. Craft magnetic content. Use storytelling, strong hooks, and clear calls to action to keep viewers watching and clicking your links. Build and engage your audience. Respond to comments, run polls, and share behind-the-scenes snippets to deepen loyalty. Diversify income streams. Layer ad revenue, affiliate links, digital products, and sponsored posts, so a dip in one doesn't tank your entire income. With consistency and creativity, content creation can scale from a fun hobby to a 6- or 7-figure business. 5. Video editing. Video is king online, and 92.8% of internet users watch videos weekly, so businesses need talented editors now more than ever. As a freelance video editor, you can earn $40, $60 per hour, or $2,000 plus per month for just 4 videos, simply by cutting, pacing, and polishing footage to maximize engagement. Find your niche. Specialize in YouTube-style storytelling edits, social media reels, or high-converting video sales letters. Niching makes you stand out and lets you charge premium rates. Build your portfolio. Edit your own footage, download free stock clips, and assemble 2-3 demo reels showcasing jump cuts, B-roll integration, and motion graphic text. Get clients. Launch on Upwork with a targeted profile, then cold email growing YouTubers or agencies with a concise pitch and a link to your demo reel. Offer a discounted first project or a free intro edit to prove your value. Scale up. Master tools like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere, learn basic color grading and sound mixing, and invest in a simple home studio setup. As referrals roll in, you can streamline your workflow, take on more clients, and raise your rates. With deadlines met and consistent quality, video editing can quickly become a steady remote income you control. 6. Bookkeeping. Every business needs clean financial records, and many small companies outsource this to experts who charge $300 to $500 per client per month. As a bookkeeper, your work is in demand year-round and spikes around tax season, making this one of the most reliable side hustles. Define your specialty. Choose a software niche, QuickBooks, Xero, or niche platforms like Buildium for real estate. Specialization lets you market directly to businesses already using those tools. Learn the fundamentals. Follow official certification courses, e.g., QuickBooks Online certification, and practice reconciling accounts, categorizing transactions, and generating P&L statements. Acquire clients. Start on Upwork or approach local businesses. Offer a free trial month or discounted rate to prove your accuracy and timeliness. Ask satisfied clients for referrals to build momentum. Automate and organize. Use bank feed integrations and recurring transaction rules to minimize manual entry. Deliver monthly reports with clear commentary so clients see your impact. Once you lock in 5-10 retainer clients, you'll have a predictable income stream and the freedom to work whenever and wherever you choose. You've now discovered 6 powerful side hustles: direct response copywriting, virtual assisting, options trading, content creation, video editing, and bookkeeping that you can start from anywhere on your own schedule. Remember the secret sauce. Find the sweet spot where your passion, your skills, and market demand intersect. Pick one hustle that lights you up, commit to learning the ropes, and take consistent action. Don't let your job be the only source of your financial security. Build a cushion, diversify your income, and reclaim control of your life. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly strategies to grow your wealth and freedom. Drop a comment below telling me which hustle you're diving into first. I read every single one. Until next time, keep hustling smart, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.